Hi, I'm Dr. Payal Khandelwal, founder of Ayurveda First. We are located in Siddhapura, Whitefield, Bangalore.
Varnya Facial. Today we will be showing our Varnya Facial, what we do in our clinic for various skin related issues in females and males both. Benefits of Ayurvedic facial is that it is completely chemical less. All the products which are used here in the treatment are made in the clinic with complete natural ingredients and helps beautify the skin and detox it. The benefits of Ayurvedic facial is that it restores lost moisture, imparts glow to the dull skin, reduces sagging of facial skin, tones and tightens the skin, removes facial toxins, retains overall youth and vitality of the facial tissues, and exfoliates the skin. What are the steps that we follow in this? First, after cleansing, we start with Ayurvedic oil massage, that is step 1. The oil massage is done to enhance the facial skin and remove the toxins. The next step is where we give scrubbing, we do scrubbing, that is called exfoliation. It is done with an ubtan which is made from complete natural ingredients and it helps to remove the dead skin from the face. The entire treatment is aimed to suit to every skin type, whether it is oily or dry or normal. After the ubtan application, we keep it for some time and then start with step 3. The ubtan is done to remove even freckles and dark pigmentation. Regular use of ubtan at home can help later to maintain the skin tone, and the best part is it is completely chemical free. We move on to the next step. After this is application of face pack. Now the face pack can be used in different bases depending upon the skin type. For oily skin, we can use normal water, or for dry skin, we can use it along with milk. And for normal skin, either rose water or normal water can be used. The entire process of facial has to be done in a complete calming environment. Already, if you can notice the change in the skin texture and glow, just a simple Uptan application can help. We do different types of facials at Ayurveda First, like kumkumadi facial and Navara facial. Different in depending upon the different ingredients used, the name changes. Then a slight steam is given, and after the steam process, the next step of face pack application is done. The face pack is kept only till the time it is slightly wet and easy to remove. So Varnya Facial helps in restoring the natural face glow, in reducing pigmentation and preventing sagging of facial skin. Depending upon the skin conditions, we also use various internal medications to clear the skin and detoxify it from within for a complete rejuvenative effect on the skin.